Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix screen flickering on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, press the settings button on your remote control. Press OK to open settings, then open all settings. Then go to picture and change the picture mode from echo to movie or standard or dynamic. Basically the echo mode or the echo mode is the only one that can cause flickering. Also go to expert settings and make sure that in picture clarity settings menu you have either auto settings, or if you have custom settings here, then you have to reduce your judder reduction to 0 to 3 if you want to set up it manually. Disable LED clear motion as it heavily impacts flickering, and also enable noise reduction. Now after that, let's also go to support tab, and in support go to software update, click update now, and wait until your device finds any available updates, and if it finds any, then of course download and install them. Tap OK, and if this didn't fix your issue, then let's also try some different methods, like try to unplug your HDMI cable from both your Connect box and from your device, and then reinsert them, and see if this helps you solve your issue. And if it didn't, you can turn off your TV by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds, and then remove the powering plug from the power source for about 30 seconds, and then reinsert it into your TV to reset temporary files on your TV. And after that, turn it on again, and this should fix the issue. And if the issue still isn't fixed, then as a last resort, you can either go to settings, go to all settings, then select general and privacy, and select the last option, which is factory data reset, which will erase all the data from your TV, but it will also delete. It will also sign you out of your Samsung account, and it can help you with your screen flickering issue. Or you can already contact the Samsung customer support service and tell them about this issue and see if they can help you out with it. And maybe even if it's a hardware problem, if it turns out to be a hardware problem, you may have to send your TV to them for repair. So that's it for this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.